welcome back to my channel. It's Shauna and we are here to do another Stitch Fix unboxing today, and I'm really excited about it. Actually, my box came yesterday and it's been killing me since yesterday, but I couldn't open it because I knew that I would have an event today that I had to do hair and makeup for, and if I did my box yesterday, I would have had to do hair and makeup 2 days in a row. No, I don't think so. That's not happening. I don't work from home to be doing hair and makeup 2 days in a row. Sorry about that. So I asked for a few things in my box. I asked for more jeans and some brown booties. I'm still real terrible about the booty thing, but I am determined to figure out how to wear them and feel good about them. I have a black pair and I have a gray pair, and I just can't figure out when to wear them. So I'm still doing it. We're gonna give it a go. I also wanted to mention that I am wearing a blazer that I got a few fixes ago, and it is called the Skies Are Blue Hannah Modal Scuba Blazer, and I love it. And I just saw Lisa C got one in red in her box, and I'm super jealous about it. So Lisa, this is the silver gray one. And Jasmine, if you're my stylist, I would love that red one. Okay, so if you don't know how Stitch Fix works, you can watch one of my other videos. I'll put some link up top, but also I'll put a link to my referral code down below. Gives you 25 bucks, gives me 25 bucks. You try it, you like it, great. Let me know. Okay, because I do. All right, in the box, envelope to send it back. All the information. I just first want to look and see if Jasmine is my stylist. She has been great. Great. Yes. I don't want to look at anything else quite yet because I haven't snuck a peek at all. Okay. Looks like booties. Let's take a look. I did pin a few to give an example. Ooh. Look at those. They look a little gray on camera, but they're like a tan. And they're, I say I want low heels, and they have to be closed toes because it's wet here, but that's pretty cute. Okay, I'm gonna have to try it on with some different things and see if I can't figure out how to make booties work. All right, that's the first thing. Let's get the burrito out. Oh, hello. Those look like some fun colors. Looks like there's some denim in there. Okay, here's the first thing, and that is sure pretty. Oh my gosh, you would not believe how soft this is. I know everybody always says that, but I don't know how Stitch Fix does it, and they get everything that's so soft. It's like a little hoodie. It's real thin cotton with the ties. I asked for kind of a workout box last time, and we kind of missed the mark on it. So maybe this is to kind of help with that, because this is really cute. It looks a little long, but it's a great color too. And it has great little ribbon strings on it. I can't wait to try that on. Adorable. I don't have that much purple, but that's a nice purple. Not an annoying purple. Oh wait, let me see what brand that was. Ink, Love, and Peace. Never heard of it. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm a little nervous about this box. Good news and bad news. I've lost a little weight, and I have gone down from an extra large, I'm hoping, to a large. For all you ladies who understand how cool that is, I'm really excited about it. I just hope that I didn't jump the gun a little bit. I kind of felt like things were getting a little baggier, and so I moved my profile down to a large, and I'm nervous that things are gonna be too small. So we're just gonna go. We're just gonna see how it goes. It'll be exciting. Okay, this is so cute. This just looks like a camel, maybe like a little dusty pink in it, which I don't love pink, but it's a thinner knit sweater. And as you guys have seen me try on other sweaters before, big bulky sweaters are not my jam at all. When you got, I don't know, for me, if you got big boobs, you got big hips, and you you don't need to add some bulky layers to that. So I think this is real cute. It has little holes in it in the stitching, so you wear like a cami under it, but that is adorable. Okay, and of course, super soft. Okay, the next thing, oh, okay, well, so I was pinning some things, and I was thinking that I never get dresses. And I don't love dresses, and I don't wear a lot of dresses. However, I do have some events coming up, and I think I pinned a couple dresses because I did pin kind of these a couple faux wrap dresses. So I bet she saw it. And this is a really nice color. It's like tealy, dark tealy green color with some cream design on it. I don't know if you want to see it. It's really soft and stretchy. We'll see how it looks on. And then the last thing is some cut from the Kloth jeans. And I just needed more jeans. And these look like ankle straight leg. Oh God, is that what you wear with booties? Wait to get really, okay. So they look kind of big, but they must not be. And they are boyfriend jeans, so that's probably why. But I will try them on. They're pretty cute. I like the color and the distressing on it. They don't have holes. I don't love a lot of holes, but I like a little distressing. So I'll try them on and you guys can let me know what you think. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I decided to try on the dress first. And here it is. I'll try and get all of me in here. And I'm not gonna lie, it is flattering on my figure, and I like this style. Like it's a really cute dress. Here's my problem with these kind of dresses is all it takes is one little lift like this, and then it's when's your baby due? This can go from cute and sassy to maternity wear in just one little stretch. And so I would be doing this all the time. And so when you got big boobs, you can't have these like at waist, because then you're like, hi, was this an empire waist? I don't think so. Is that maternity? No, I don't think so either. But it's cute. I just think this at waist stuff. It has to be like a drop waist or no, just A-line or something, because if there's a seam, I got problems. It's gotta be low seam. It's gotta be tied down here, or else, yeah, I look 4 months pregnant. Okay, I'll angle you down a little bit to see the boots. I put tights on and I put boots because that's what she suggested in my card thing. It looks real stupid. There's a boob shot. Okay, let's see if we can get the boots in. And they look real stupid. I don't know about these booty style. I am so determined, but maybe it's the wrong tights. Maybe it's the wrong booty with the wrong dress, but I see people wear booties with dresses and it looks cute, and this does not. So I'm gonna try it on with my jeans and see if we have any better luck. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is totally my kind of sweater. It's soft. It has a little pink in it. She tried to sneak in a little pink. I've kind of olive skin. I don't think I look that great in pink, but it's subtle. I might branch out. So apparently this design isn't called a sweater with little holes. It's called pointelettes. So now we all learned something today. It was in my stylist note. It fits great, which it's a large. So my size 14 club out there, woo! Look at that. It's cute and it's fitted and it's a sweater that's, it's flattering as sweaters can get, I think. It's great. This is totally my style of sweater. Okay, I'm gonna angle you down and have you look at the jeans. Okay, these are, and I have the boots on too. These are cut from the Kloth boyfriend straight leg jeans, and they're a little loose. And they wouldn't be loose for normal jeans, but we all know cut from the Kloth, can get baggy as the day goes on. And I think that they will slide down at the end of the day. I'll have to, you know, gauge if I think they're too, I mean, they'd be great with the belt, but maybe that's how you wear boyfriend jeans, is with the belt. Okay, I put them on with the boots, and I still think they look stupid. I think the boots are cute. The style, I think the color's great. I think they're super comfortable, and I'll give you all the name information. They were half cuffed on when I got them, and I full cuffed them because I thought that might look a little bit better with the boot. Is that right? Because I still don't love that look. It looks so cute on everybody else, and I just don't know if really I can rock it. But the jeans are cute. They're soft. I know they're 88 bucks. You know it too. Are they 88 bucks cute? All right, we'll see. Okay, one more thing. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the purple hoodie, and it is amazingly soft. And the color, this dusty purple color, is great. Little ribbon ties, cute hood. They look real cute with the boyfriend jeans. I would love this outfit. Oh, I think all of this is gonna come down to price. Yeah, that's cute. I have zero complaints. This box has been pretty great. Not all the fits are perfect, but that Jasmine, you guys should request her. She's real good. Okay, but now we gotta check the prices. Oh, I got a $100 gift card from my mom. Thanks, Sherry Mom, for Christmas. And so I get to do a little shopping, and this is a great box to do it in. I'll be right back. And now we have to see if I can afford all this beautiful clothes. All right, everybody. Ooh, okay, so the first thing is the Kaileigh Arnett Faux wrap knit dress. Cute, flattering, soft, great. I bet Lon really likes it. I get a little bit worried about that maternity clothes thing we mentioned. And this is 58 bucks. Worth it? I'll have to think about that. Maybe if I liked everything, right? Okay, the next thing is the Ink, Love, and Peace Heatherly Hooded Pocket Knit Top. Purple hoodie, as I call it. And this is 58 bucks. Okay, this is okay. I mean, it's a hoodie for 58 bucks, but you know, Nike hoodie is a lot more than that. So, and it's really soft, and I would like better. Okay, so the next thing is the Market and Spruce Palia Pointelle. Did I say pointlet? Pointelle. We're just learning. Just continue to learn. A detail cotton blend pullover. Yep, Market and Spruce. And it's a large, and it is, oh, it's 58. So I think the Kaileigh dress is 54. I may have misspoke. And this is 58. So, hey, that's not bad at all. The shoes are Diba. Lovely Suede Bootie is actually its name, not just what they are. And they're 70 bucks. You can get cheaper booties, but I have definitely seen way more expensive booties, and they are cute. If I was going to say what to get, it would be this one for me. I don't know if I can pull them off. Okay, they are 70 bucks, and we all know how much cut from the cloth are. They are $88 without fail. So the total is $328. If you subtract the 25% by all, that's minus $82, and your $20 styling fee is $226. What should I do? I don't know. I love the hoodie. I love the sweater. The dress is adorable, but I don't think it's the right cut for me. The jeans are soft, but they're not, I don't know if the sizing is quite right, if they're gonna stretch out. And the boots are adorable, but I don't know if I can pull them off. Let me know what you think. I need help. I'm not quite sure what to do. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I love everybody's comments. They're so cool and friendly and honest. And thanks for watching again, and let me know what you think. I'll see you next time. Bye.